Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by accessing Settings. Then click on Connected Devices right away and select Pair New Device. Now just wait for available ones to show and tap on the chosen one. Now in order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device and clicking on Forget. Following that, confirm your choice by choosing Forget Device in this pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, just click on Pair New Device, click on it, and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!